Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a Bluetooth speaker that you can basically use indoor or outdoor. If you see the one that we got right here is from the Anker or Soundcore brand, and they call this a motion boom speaker. And this is what the product looks like right here. If you see the bottom right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. So they mentioned how the product has a bass up technology, 24-hour playtime. The product is fully waterproof, and it does have a customizable EQ option, where you can control it on the Soundcore app. So if you take a look at the back part right here, they probably got some more specs and features that's on here. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So let's take everything out first. So they probably got a little quick starter guide right here. And right here they probably got the charging cable, which is USB to USB-C. And then right underneath that we do have the product. So let's take it out. So you see once we take it out, the product is all nicely wrapped up. But let's take off the wrapper as well. So once we take it out, this is what the product looks like. So you see the passive radiator and the driver inside. It definitely looks pretty nice, especially from this angle right here. And right here we do have the brand logo. And top right here we do have a handle option, so that way you can carry around really easily. And we also got inside right here, and also on this side as well. They do have the base on the side with the logo right here. Same thing for this side right here. And we guys look at the handle part right here, there is also a logo as well. And right top right here, we see we have a bunch of buttons. So there's a bass up button, a Bluetooth button, a volume up and volume down button, and a play button in the middle, a power button, and a TWS button. So for the TWS button, that allows you guys to pair up to multiple speakers that are the same exact speaker like this one. So that way you can get an even better audio experience when you guys actually use it. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. Same thing for the back part right here as well. And then right here, we see we do have the slot where to plug in the cable. So if you guys open up, that is what the inside looks like. So definitely have the USB option right here, like they mentioned. We could use it as a power bank option. And then right here, we do have the slot where to plug in the cable to recharge it. And they do have this little cover right here for you to fully cover it. So that way the speaker can be waterproof. So when you guys are done using it, you guys can fully seal it up. Just like that. And the bottom right here, we see we do have like a non-slip material. So when you guys first get it, you guys want to peel this part out. So that we can use a non-slip material in the bottom. So that is everything that's on the bar right here. Before I actually test it out, let me just plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it. So I just want to plug in the back part right here. So once you guys have it plugged in right here, if you guys turn on the front part right here, you can definitely see this part right here lights up red. So that is how you guys know when it's charging. I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that light should change to a different color or turn off. So that is how you guys know when the product is charging. Now let's test out the USB option as well. So I want to plug this in the back right here. And for other side of the cable, I want to plug it inside right here. If you can see, it definitely does work. So now let me just turn on the speaker and connect it onto Bluetooth to show you guys how it works. So I just want to press this button right here. Alright, so it's ready to pair the device. Alright, so we got connected. Let me just connect this onto the speaker as well. So this is what the app looks like. You guys want to go right here and then find the device that you have. So in this case, we have the motion boom. And then once you find the device, this is what the app looks like. So you see right here, show you guys the battery percentage. And right here, there's a bunch of other stuff as well. So you definitely have the option to turn on or turn off the speaker right here. And you also have the option to control the volume setting on here, play and pause the music, and the equalizer option as well. So you can definitely adjust this how you guys want to. And let's play a song on here to test it out. So I can hear the audio and the bass on here definitely works really well, especially when we turn on the bass up technology on here. You can definitely hear that huge difference on here. But you definitely have the option right here to increase or lower the volume. And then right here we do have the play and pause button. And if you guys want to skip the song or go back to the previous song, you want to double tap this button or tap it 3 times. So just like this. Alright, so you see that definitely does work. And if you guys want to turn on the voice assistant, you basically want to press and hold the button. and that activates the voice assistant on here. And if you guys want to make calls on here, you can definitely make calls on here as well. But when we actually have the product plugged in, it still works, so that's definitely really cool as well. And obviously, like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to connect multiple speakers, the same exact speaker, you can definitely use that option on here, which is TWS. But I only have one of them, so I don't need to use the option. So that is everything that's on the product here. Let me just go do a quick waterproof test to see whether or not the product is waterproof, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. So what I'm gonna do is to test out the waterproof on here to see whether or not it's actually waterproof. So first what I'm gonna do is turn on the product. Alright, so we got connected. And before I actually test out the waterproof on here, we want to make sure the back is fully sealed up, which is right here. Once it's fully sealed up, you guys can definitely test it out. So let's play a song on here. Alright, let's pour some water on. So definitely see the product is fully waterproof, and all the water that's on here, you guys can definitely use a towel to wipe it off. So just like this. And if there's any extra water that's on here, you guys can shake it out. And just let it hang dry or let it air dry. And once you guys wipe it off, if you guys test it out again. You can see the product definitely does work, and if you guys get water on here, it's completely fine. Alright, welcome back guys. So that's a quick test upon definitely see that it is waterproof or water resistant. So even if you guys get water on here, it is completely fine. But in here, we actually did like the audio test and the bass test on here, it definitely performed really well. So whether you guys want to use this indoor or outdoor or wherever you guys want to, that is up to you guys. But it definitely works really well as both a speaker and also a power bank as well, which is definitely pretty awesome. So now to come unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these warranties, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable speaker that basically works as a boombox speaker that has all the different specs and features that's on here. Then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.